Okay, so here we are, the good old world of quadratic equations. Quadratics are any equation with an x squared in. Now these are particularly tricky because they've got x squared and x's, and our good old friend the balancing method, where you subtract things from both sides or divide both sides by something, just won't work. So we have to have a new technique, and it involves factorizing. Let's get into it then. So first of all, we want to make everything equal to 0. So I'm actually going to do an add 2 to both sides. And I'm going to write down the result. So I've got x squared plus 5x, and I think I've got plus 4. And on the other side, I've got 0. Now the key is to try and factorize this expression here. So I'm going to put bracket times bracket equals 0. Now let's think carefully. This x squared would appear from our grid here, and the plus 4 would appear from here. So that would mean x times x here. And should we try it? 4 times 1. I think we've got it right. 4x and 1x. And that would make the 5x. So I think we've done it. So transfer into our factorized form, x plus 4 into x plus 1. Now the key idea is that anything that's multiplied together, for the overall answer to be 0, we just need one of them to be 0. So if we can make the x plus 4 equal to 0, then we've got it. So now subtract 4 from each side here, and we've got x equals negative 4. So if we went and tried and substituted negative 4 into the equation, so if we put negative 4 here, and we put negative 4 here, this first bracket would be 0, and it doesn't matter what the second bracket is, all right? So now let's find out the other bracket. We could actually have x plus 1 equal to 0, and then we minus 1, and we have a other solution, which is x equals to negative 1. So the two solutions are negative 1 and negative 4. I had everything on the left-hand side, but of course we can actually plus 3x here and plus 3x here in the second one. And we could also minus 10 from here, therefore we'd minus 10 from here. So here everything would end up on the right-hand side, and that's okay. I'd like to have my x squared as positive. It makes the factorizing easier. So just check that we've got that. Now the x squared would have been here, and the negative 10 would be here. That means it has to be x times x here. And then what do you reckon? 5 times 2 is 10. That would give me 5x and 2x, but it has to be negative 10, so one of them must be negative. And when we check here, that's plus 3x, so 5x minus 2x is 3x, so this is minus. So here we have the factorized version, which is x plus 5 times by x minus 2. So in order to solve this, we make either this factor equal to 0, or we can make the other factor equal to 0. Go ahead and solve. X equals negative 5 or x equals 2. Now if you want to be super fancy, we can actually test both the solutions. Now let's check x equals 2. Now on the left hand side, 10 minus 3 times by 2. On the right hand side, 2 squared. Can you see? 4 and 4 balances. So this definitely works. Now let's try negative 5. So 10 minus 3 times negative 5. And this is negative 5 squared. So this would be 25. And this would be 10 plus 15, which is also 25. So both solutions work in the original equation.